In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change form field colors in PDFs using Acrobat Pro. Whether you're customizing a form for professional presentation or simply want to personalize a document, adjusting form field colors can significantly enhance the visual appeal and functionality of your PDF files. So, let's dive in. To begin, you'll first need to open your PDF in Adobe Acrobat Pro. This is the foundation of our task, as Acrobat Pro offers a suite of tools specifically designed for editing and preparing forms within PDFs. Once your document is open, your next step is to navigate to the top menu. Here, you'll click on Tools, then Edit PDF. Alternatively, you can directly go to Tools and select Comment. Both of these options will grant you access to the necessary editing features. Now look for Tools once more in the top menu and select Prepare Form. This step is crucial as it allows you to enter form editing mode, which is where you can make the desired changes to your form fields. Once the form editing tools are active, go ahead and select the form field you wish to modify. This could be a text box, a drop-down menu, or a checkbox. Whatever element needs a color refresh. After you've selected your form field, right-click on it. Alternatively, for those using a touchpad, double-clicking will achieve the same result. This action will bring up a context menu where you'll then choose Properties. This is your gateway to customizing the appearance of your form field. Within the Properties menu, you'll find several tabs at the top. Click on the Appearance tab to access color options for your field. Here you'll see three main options: border color, fill color, and text color. Starting with border color, you can choose any color or opt for no color if you want the border to be invisible. This setting helps in creating a clean and minimalist look if that suits your style. Moving on to fill color, select a background color that enhances the legibility and aesthetics of your form field. Lastly, text color allows you to change the font color, ensuring that the text stands out as much or as little as you desire against the fill color. Once you've made all your color selections to your satisfaction, it's time to save those changes. Simply click Close in the Properties menu. This will apply all of the color modifications to the form field. It's that straightforward, and there you have it, a beautifully customized form in your PDF document that better suits your needs or stylistic preferences. By altering form field colors, you not only improve the PDF's appearance but also enhance the user experience for anyone interacting with the document. Thank you for joining me in this walkthrough, and I hope you found this guide helpful.